What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to talk to you about cleaning up your dash and other plastic panels on your car. We're going to be using and reviewing Chemical Guys Total Interior Cleaner and Protectant. Alright, let's get into it. So what we've done here is we put a piece of tape. I'm only going to clean one side, remove the tape, and we're going to do a comparison. I do have to say, this stuff smells pretty good. It don't have a fruity smell or anything, but it's got that kind of a clean car smell. I do like it. So we remove the tape, and yep, she cleans pretty nicely. As you can see here, we got some nasty crap. I'm gonna hit it with the cleaner. That is freaking disgusting. Now it's cleaner than a Las Vegas stripper bowl. Also going to be reviewing Chemical Guys Diablo wheel cleaner. First thing you're going to want to do is rinse your rim down. Now it says it's good for removing brake dust fast, spot free, great for tires and wheels. For those who call wheels rims, this is your tire, this is your wheel. What in the hell is going on here? Come on, Chemical Guys, what the hell?
Emotional, damn it!
The rim is cleaner. Don't mind the corrosion of the tires. The Diablo wheel cleaner, it was okay. Maybe it would be better if I had nicer rims. that weren't all mucked up and corroded. Used car life. This was awesome. I like that. I don't really use much chemical-based products. I usually use A.M.L's. And no, not because my name's Adam, but I like their stuff. But Chemical Guys, not bad.